Hello everyone, I'm 3D Fish, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing off something that instantly upgraded my desk setup. The GraviDock V2, a 3D printed laptop, tablet, and phone stand designed by SBlob on MakerWorld. Although it says tablet stand, realistically you're probably only going to use it for your laptop. This is the second generation of the original GraviDock, and it takes everything good from version 1 and improves it. Here's the cool part. It's 95% 3D printable. The only extra thing you'll need is a couple of rubber bands. These act as the tension mechanism that keeps the stand flexed and stable. I used 45mm diameter bands. There are 3 versions you can print. The soft touch version with TPU inserts and a central TPU mat to protect your devices from scratches. The no soft touch version, which skips the side inserts but still includes the TPU mat, and a simplified version with no phone stand, just for laptops and tablets if you want a cleaner or smaller footprint. You also get 3 sizes built into the profiles: 120mm, 140mm, and 160mm, depending on your device width. I printed all of them using PLA for the body and Bambu TPU 90A for the soft touch parts. The designer recommends against scaling the model in your slicer. Stick with the provided sizes for best print quality. It's also recommended to move all the TPU parts onto a single plate and print them together. Or just use the Bambu Handy app for a streamlined experience. Assembly is simple. Remove the supports and brim, dislodge the hinge mechanism, pop in the central pillow, insert the TPU soft touch inserts. I recommend gluing in the TPU parts down with a bit of super glue to keep them secure. Then finish it off by hooking in the rubber bands. I like to use 2 of them for extra power. In use, it's sturdy and looks great. I tested it with my 14-inch MacBook Pro and it handled it with no problem. It can support laptops up to 2.5 kilograms. It's not the most space-efficient design compared to some others, but it's cheap, reliable, and relatively quick to print. If you want to save filament or print time, reduce the wall count from 3 to 2. That'll cut your print time and filament usage by about 20 to 30%. Overall, this is one of the most functional and well-thought-out 3D prints I've tested. If you're looking for a simple but solid vertical laptop stand, the GraviDock V2 is definitely worth your time. The download link is in the description, and if you like it, don't forget to leave a boost for the designer on MakerWorld. Thanks for watching. I'm 3D Fish, and I'll catch you in the next one. Subscribe for more 3D printed model tests.